Position side rail with weather strip against inside lip of box and push forward until it touches front of box. Then adjust top of side rail, flush with top of box. Install first clamp as close to front of box as possible. Turn nut finger tight, then tighten with 1/2 inch wrench. Install second clamp on side rail at midway point and repeat clamping procedure. Next, install final clamp as close to tailgate as possible and repeat clamping procedure. Ensure rail is flush, then torque all clamps to 20 foot-pounds. Repeat process to install side rail on opposite side. Ensure bulkhead is clean, then wipe top surface with alcohol pad. Ensure raised portion of seal is against inside edge of box. Peeling protective backing as you go, align and adhere seal gasket at one corner across box to opposite corner, then cut to length. Clean underside of side rail with alcohol pad. Then mark seal leg and cut notch. Peel protective backing, align and adhere seal to end of side rail. Repeat process to install rear seal on opposite side rail. On driver's side, insert bolt with flat washer into tension adjuster marked L, then turn bolt into nut and front bar. Leave loose for now. Repeat process to install tension adjuster on passenger side. Roll front bar onto side rails and tuck vinyl flap under front bar. Then slide tension adjuster until it engages under side rail and align holes. Insert bolt and secure with washer and nut. Hold bolt and tighten nut under side rail. Repeat process to install tension adjuster on opposite side rail. Center front bar between side rails. Then with tension adjuster's support tab under side rail, tighten bolt under front bar on each side. Unroll cover and place rear bar into strikes on side rails.